A very good morning and a warm welcome to Cheshire Cars video of our latest purchase, which is this 2019 on a 6.9 plate, two private owners Mini Cooper S 5-door. It's the first time that we've acquired a 5-door. Obviously Minis have been synonymous with 3 doors from the beginning, but they've branched out under BMW's ownership to a plethora of vehicles from the original 3-door platform. This is the 5-door car, so it's slightly longer, a little bit more room, and has some very attractive, nice features. And the mileage is 20,300 miles, and it also comes with a full Mini dealer service record. Now, I have taken some photographs of the screen, so if you want to just have a look at some of the images, I've got some close-up shots of when it was serviced and what was done on the service. So it's just had a major service actually, not too long ago. It will be going to our workshop partners who will raise the car off the ground in the air and check things like tyres, brake linings, and just general safety check it and give it a road test. Anything that we find with Mini, we'll be checking with Mini and Crewe for any outstanding recalls. I don't think there will be any, but we will still check anyway. And if there are any, we will have them carried out because they are free of charge, of course. The business has been established for 28 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. The vehicle's finished in black metallic. It has some very attractive exterior features such as the John Cooper Works body styling kit, the 17-inch track sport wheels, and we've just painted the calipers in red, which just accentuate the sportiness of the vehicle, and looks very well actually. I'm very pleased with how that's turned out. But other than that, we've obviously treated it to our customary 3-day detail, which is what we're known for. So the car you're seeing here will be the car you will come and see or have delivered to your home. We've been offering delivery for 13 years, and we've never in those 13 years ever had to come back with the car that we've delivered. You don't pay for the vehicle until you've seen it, driven it and approved it, and then you pay by a bank transfer. Car finance and part exchange are both available should you require them. It's not compulsory, and the price you see will be the price you pay. Delivery is £1 a mile to get to you, and we don't charge to come back, obviously, so it's a 50% reduction, so a very good offer on delivery of the car to you. But again, that's not for everyone. You're more than welcome to come and have a look at the car here at HQ in Crewe. So without much further ado, let's go into the car and talk a little bit about the condition and the specification. So straight away, if you're synonymous with Minis, you'll know that they do come with quite a lot of chrome. This one has been de-chromed from the factory, so all the headlight and the rear lamps are in gloss black, as so too the grille, which I think absolutely rocks the car. It does make it look superb. There's the odd stone chip, and the camera video isn't going to pick them up, but we have touched them in using a Mini touch-up stick. For a black car, it's in fantastic condition. Neil, who we purchased the car off in New Toxeter, has really looked after it. He told us that he doesn't go to car washes. He used to do it on his drive with his equipment, so he has done a very good job, in fairness to him, so well done, Neil. But Peter from BCP Car Detailing, our partner to machine polish the car, has just done just that. And look at the shine on the finish of it really pops, doesn't it? Really fantastic. There are the calipers in red, which just go with the red John Cooper Works centre cap, and you've got the red S badge on the tailgate and on the grille at the front. Inside you have another bonus. It's full leather. Very rare to find one with full leather. A very good factory option to have, and also a comfort pack, which is the armrest and rear parking sensors. Very good indeed. Automatic, which is another bonus. 7-speed automatic, super smooth and responsive, and you do get some paddle shift controls as well on the steering wheel. It's navigation, it's standard navigation, another option that the car has been specified with. And of course, all the door steps have got the John Cooper Works emblems. The front 2 doors have a larger emblem, and the rear door a shorter one. but nevertheless it is still there. Ambient lighting, anthracite headlining, Union Jack rear, how cool is that? Rear tail lights. I think that's a fantastic touch, a really nice touch. Sort of paying homage to the original Minis, of course. And so I think BMW have done really well with this car, really well indeed. Decent size boot, and you've got some underfloor storage. Let me just show you that. Just compartment just here. So you've got some more storage. I don't know whether your camera's going to pick it up, but that comes out and you've got extra storage underneath. You have got a tyre inflation kit. There's the two exhaust pipes exiting in the centre. There's the sport rear bumper. Oh, very, very nice indeed. And let's go into the car. Just walking around the car now. That's a sort of sight that somebody who's in front of you may see as you come up behind them. Lovely, lovely car. I've got a very busy week this week actually, so we're just grabbing this morning to video this. Neil was in yesterday helping. Well, he did most of the cleaning on the inside, so you can thank Neil for the inside. I was rather busy when he was here yesterday, so me and Neil worked very, very closely together, and without him I'd be at a loss, so thank you, Neil. Fantastic attention to detail, and if you knew Neil you'd know why, because he's always been a person to get everything just spot on. So the red stitching has been cleaned, it's all been carefully cleaned, the leather has been wiped over very carefully, no additives have been used, just warm water and a cleaning solution, and lots of careful attention to detail. Both seats are adjustable, and as with all Minis, you do get a digital radio. So you have a digital radio. This one's comfort pack, so you've got storage here, armrest with storage. Just move it out of the way. There's your eye controller for the controls, gearbox. You can slip it into manual, and you can shift it on the shifter into manual, sport, manual, and then D for drive, or you can use the paddle shift here, which is up and down the gears, and you have speed limiter, cruise control, and voice activation. Cancel. All there. So, and then you've John Cooper Works steering wheel, leather, red stitching, John Cooper Works badge. You've got the dynamic chassis control, which again I've photographed in the pictures, in the images. Heated seats, very important. If you've got leather, you need heated leather, don't you? Stop-start technology, override button, air conditioning, climate control, just there. Double cup holders. There is the handbook. No smells inside the car whatsoever. You do get a screen popping up when you do reverse the car, which is just there. Back into park. Make sure I have the car in park. It's 20,300 miles. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. 4 electric windows, heated electric mirrors. Just look at that for condition. Absolutely stunning. Really is beautiful. Not very often you can say a black car that's 4 years old can be looking like this. But it hasn't done many miles, and it's been cared for by the owner, Neil. He was very passionate about the car, and it is always very, very good for us when we do network with some very, very nice sellers, and also some fantastic buyers, of course. So 2024 will see us celebrating 28 years. That's our 2019 on a 69 plate Mini Cooper S Sport 5-door, 20,300 miles, available now from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire. Well, have a fantastic day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.